Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to stop spy apps on your phone easily. So if you're facing problem regarding messages and emails on your phone being spied on, so you can actually look into this solution. So first, let's start by opening the settings app on your phone. Since not all Android devices are the same, search for special app access or notification access, then select all files access. This section lists all apps and their file access. As you can see, some apps can read, modify and delete all files on your phone or any connected storage devices if allowed. These apps may access files that aren't related to their functionality without notifying you. So be careful. Do not switch off Android Auto as it is a necessary system app. However, switch off access for any apps that you feel are unsafe. If you're unsure, just Google the app's name to check if it's safe. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.